Hello guys, today we're counting down the top 5 must-have heavy vehicle workshop equipment for your workshop in 2025. These are the game changers that will take your operations to the next level. You'll be amazed with the top one. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the JSUM Cam Liner Heavy Vehicle Wheel Aligner. This compact system uses advanced camera technology for fast and accurate wheel alignment. It's perfect for truck and bus workshops as well as tyre service centres, allowing you to offer alignment services with precision and efficiency. Wheel alignment on fleets can be an extra revenue stream for heavy vehicle repairers, or for those running a fleet can enjoy less driver fatigue, fuel and tyre wear savings when they have a correctly aligned fleet. If you want to keep your fleet rolling straight and true, the JSUM Cam Liner is a must-have. Compact, reliable, and super accurate. What more could you want? Coming in at number 4 is Levanta's BM200 Mobile Roller Brake Tester, designed and built in Europe, capable of handling heavy-duty loads up to 20 tonne per axle. It offers a high standard of vehicle brake testing whilst being very mobile. The advantage of the BM200 is the design, which allows for being placed and used directly on the workshop floor for truck and bus inspections without any civil work. Simply fold down the drive on and off ramps, plug into power and turn on the computer. With this tool, you'll ensure every vehicle leaves your workshop with braking systems that are up to spec. Safety first, folks. At number 3, we've got the OMCAR 250 truck knuckle lift. This powerhouse has a lift capacity of 25 tonnes, making it the perfect choice for trucks, buses and other large vehicles. It's available in both surface and flush mount options, so you can choose what fits your workshop best. Its strong and compact frame guarantees perfect stability, ensuring functionality, safety and reliability every time. When heavy lifting is your job, this lift is your go-to. Number 2 on our list is the LiftMax LM65W 6.5 tonne wireless mobile column lift. This tool offers unmatched flexibility and convenience for lifting heavy vehicles. Because it's wireless, you don't have to worry about power cables cluttering your workshop, reducing tripping hazards. With its heavy-duty battery power, you won't need a 3-phase power supply. And when it's not in use, it's easy to store away. Talk about a space saver. And finally, the number 1 must-have heavy vehicle workshop equipment for your workshop in 2025. Levanta's prefabricated service and inspection pits. These pits are custom designed to your exact specifications and manufactured from high-quality Australian steel. They're tough, compliant and safe, providing a comfortable working area that boosts efficiency. Plus, they meet all relevant Australian and New Zealand industry standards and guidelines. If you're serious about upgrading your workshop, this is an investment you can't afford to miss. From alignment systems to inspection pits, these tools will transform your operations and keep you ahead of the game. Which one are you most excited to add to your workshop? Let us know in the comments below. If you're interested to learn more about the products, visit our website at levanta.com.au. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.